Good morning. These are both of the questions you were asked yesterday in math. Let's review them together. Step 1. I'm over here on the left now with 4 and 212 thousandths divided by 13. Step 1, do you know what it is? You got it. Let's move the decimal 2 places to the right to make our divisor a whole number. And because we've done that, we have to move the decimal and the dividend 2 places to the right. It's like creating an equivalent fraction, isn't it? Because remember, fractions are division, divisions are fraction. So it's like we've multiplied both numbers by 100. Okay, because they're both 100 times bigger. All right, so here we go. We have to divide now. So let's draw our partial quotients line. There we go. And we'll ask ourselves how many 13s are in 4,212. Well, let's start with 100 13s. That'd be 1,300. How about 213? So let's double 1,300. That's 2,600. Ooh, I know. Let's do 300 13s. Because 3 times 13 is 39 with 2 zeros behind it. That gets us really close. So 3,900 is 300 times 13. All right, so we'll subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Can't take 9 from 2. So we'll borrow 1 from the 4, make 12. And then 12 minus 9 is 3. And we get 3 minus 3 is 0. 312. So how many 13s are in 312? Next step. Let's repeat the process. Well, let's see. 10 13s would be 10 13s would be 130. So that means 20 13s would be 260. That means 30. How about 30? 30 13s. 3 times 13 is 39. Wait, that's not too many, isn't it? 30 times, let's see. I'm getting confused now. 30 times 13. Terrible handwriting. All right, well, 10 30s is 3. Oh, that's way too big. That's 390. Yeah, so let's not use that. Let's go my eraser here. Let's erase the 30. That's too big, way too big. So let's go with 20. What's 13 times 5? Let's see. 13. Oh, geez, too big. 13 times 5. Let's see. That's 50. Let's see. That's 50 and 15. That's 65. 65. Still too big. All right, let's go with 20. We'll take this step by step. So 20 13s is 260, right? 20 times 10 is 200, and 20 times 3 is 60. So that's 260. We'll subtract that away. We'll get 2 carry here. And let's see, that'd be 52. How many 52 is a multiple of 13. Is 4 more. All right, got it. All right, so 4 times 13. I memorized that. That's how I know it so quick, in case you're wondering. 4 times 13 is 52. I know my 13s facts. They come in handy sometimes. Oh, sorry, 52. And that's 0. Okay, so now we add up our partial quotients. To speed this up a little bit, we're going to get 324. 324. Now we got to write that in the right place value. So let's bring this answer up to our answer line, right? So the 4 here in the ones place will go in the ones place. The 2 will go next to it. And the 3 will go next to that. And that matters because remember, to get the correct answer, we need to move the decimal from where we moved it straight up into the answer line. And so the digits are not written in the right spot, then the decimal is not in the right spot, and the answer is wrong. So the final correct answer is 32 400ths. That was problem number 1. All right, on to problem number 2. Step 1, we know what it is. Let's go ahead and multiply 5 tenths times 10. That gives us 5. So we're going to multiply 48 7/500 times 10 by sliding the decimal over. That gives us 487 5/10. Now, let's go ahead and divide using partial quotients. All right, how many 5s are in 4,000? Okay, so 1,000 5s would be 5,000. That's too big. But 4,000, let's see, 800. Let's go with 800 5s. All right, so 800, this is an extended math fact. 8 times 5 is 40 with 2 zeros behind it. So 40 with 2 zeros. That's 4,000, right? So we'll subtract that away. We'll get 875. Now we see how many fives are in 875. Well, let's see, 100 fives would be 500. So 110 fives would be 550. 120 fives would be 600. 100 and let's see, what if I did, what do I use next? Green. What if I did 5 times, let's see, 150? What's 5 times 150? Let's see, that times, oh, that's supposed to be 0. All right, so that's 500 and 50 times 5 is 250. That's 750. Okay, let's use 150 fives. 150 fives. So my incomplete problem here is just enough to get what I needed. There's going to be 5 times 50 is 250, in case you were wondering, for clarity's sake. And I was going to add 500 plus 250 and get 750. I had done that in my head. I apologize. I was probably going too fast. So 150 times 5 is 750. All right. We'll subtract that away. And we're going to get 5. And we're going to get 2. We're going to get 125. Now, on to the blue step. Let's go with how many 5s are in 125. Well, 5 times 20. Oh, quarters. 5 quarters is $1.25. So I'm going to go with 25 5s. I'm thinking money. A quarter is 25 cents, and 5 of them is $1.25. So that's 5 times 25 is 125. How did I know that so quick, you ask? Well, I memorized it. I know my quarters. They're 25 cents a piece. Okay, no remainder. So let's add up our partial quotients. 800 plus 150 is 950. And 950 plus 25 is 975. Ooh, handwriting's terrible. Okay, so let's bring our answer up to our answer line. Right there. Okay, so the 5 goes in the ones place. The 7 goes in the next place over. That's a 9. That is a 9. 9 goes the next place over. And that matters because we have to bring our decimal straight up into our answer line to get the correct answer. That is a 9, right? Yeah. 97 and 5/10. Okay. I hope these made sense. I hope these are the answers that you got as well to yesterday's problems. Let me know if you have questions. You're going to do more just like this today. All right. Good luck, and I'm here to help. Just get in touch with me.